in the gate. Away and running. Cherokee Dreamer hit the ground running. Clarion Court is showing good speed. The black cap of Silk Queen traveling alone, and Grand Missy also wants a piece of the early action as they race up the backstretch. Clarion Court under the gun now from traveling alone. Silk Queen in her 10th run. She's right there running in third from Grand Missy. And here's Star of Sunla. She bullies her way between fillies, and she's in tight quarters heading to the half-mile pole. Cherokee Dreamer 6 in the front. And then farther back is Real Quiet Judy, who's dropped back to last. The first quarter, 22 seconds flat. Going into the far turn with 3 furlongs to go. Silk Queen up now to engage, traveling alone. These two fillies, even terms at the 5/16 pole. Cherokee Dreamer now third, Star of Sunla fourth. Clarion Court, a short-lived effort dropping back, then farther back in the field to Grand Missy, and finally Real Quiet Judy on the far outside. In the final furlong and a half, traveling alone, running on from Silk Queen in the final furlong now. Traveling alone is clear. Silk Queen is fully stretched. Cherokee Dreamer now third. They're coming down toward the wire. The daughter of Mount Livermore, traveling alone for Dallas Stewart and Lonnie Mesh. Traveling alone, Silk Queen the runner-up. Then a gap to Real Quiet Judy, who wedged out Cherokee Dreamer. Grand Missy was fifth.